You can only see this stuff on the back end if you are logged in. Bars. Walked myself right into that. Welcome back to day 6, Member Appreciation Bath and Body Works sale. So we are going to get into everything. Quick note, very brief. You can only see this stuff on the back end if you are logged in. Bars. Walked myself right into that. So we're going over the fall collection of everything. We've also gone over the member exclusive where they allow us to vote and specifically state top left what fragrances we would like to see them bring back, those retired ones. We've also discussed Luminous fragrance early access, and they only give you a preview on the app. We're also exploring here real quick this page that allows you to vote and type in that little box as to what fragrances you'd like to see return. Yesterday, I spoke on the laundry detergent that they were going to expand the collection somehow. We found out how. You can go see that video. That is going to be on a playlist for you to enjoy at the end of this one. And now it says, thanks to you, we are sold out. Loads more laundry coming soon. Hold the laundry, Bath and Body Works. I'm just saying. Can we have loads more laundry detergents and those extras that you all have released now? Now, the Luminous, would love to see what notes that they have for this. I would like to also see a travel size. I would be interested based on what the fragrance notes are for Luminous to see, do you have this in a travel size? And can we get that on sale? Just so, for people to sample it. I can't give you everything Bath and Body Works, but I will say this. Can we get a free travel size giveaway of brand new scents? Just like you did with that laundry detergent y'all launched last month. Can we do that for new fragrances where you're going to launch the Eau de Parfum, the Fine Fragrance Mist, the Body Cream, the Body Lotion, and Body Wash and Shower Gel? The whole spread. Can we get, free travel size of such and such Luminous or whatever it is? That would be nice. I would really, really like to see that. Start giving out them travel sizes for a drawing, or better yet, use your points for free travel size items, if not the Fine Fragrance Mist, if not the full size of everything. But that's the only thing I can give you, Shameless plug, real quick. Now, earlier this week, they also had the fall candles, the 3-wick candles for $12.95. Says, sorry you missed it. Also, the Gingham Sleep Collection. Sorry you missed it. I gave my full commentary on day 1 when they launched the Gingham collection. Gingham is also a fragrance, in case you didn't know, about them prices and how I really feel about them. You can go back and see that as well. I don't really see any squares I can click on here as far as member appreciation. This looks like it's just there. So we're going to look at their mini sales that ends at specifically 11:59 p.m. They might not have said that in the details, but I'm telling you, today only. $2.95. So this is a sale that is only for bars of soap throughout different scents. Men's collection, which we'll see soon. Champagne apple and honey. Certain fall scents. This new Chasing Fireflies scent and select others. Catch is you use the code right on the screen next to the number 2 here on this display. Use the code LITTLES. LITTLES, the word little with an S. First glance, I ain't gonna lie to you, I thought that it said little with number 5 on the end, but it's an S. It's an S. I'm pretty sure it's an S, okay? So we are going to explore, and it says 125 choices. Second time around, I'm just noticing that it says that also on the display here. And we have the mix here. It also includes hand creams, travel size fine fragrance mist, those shea butter cleansing bars, and that isn't limited with the bars of soap specifically to us ladies in our collections we have. They also do it for the men. And then I'm also seeing outside of that the men's 3-in-1 body washes. Little side eye. Why don't we have a 3-in-1 something? I'm just saying. There's also going to be occasionally, if you're going to shop online this week for member appreciation, special offer pop-up will come up for the 20% off any purchase, and it will say valid until whatever your current time is. So it will vary. There is also more than one page of this. I think it's a total of 3. And I just love that they're creating an opportunity for you to get these travel, smaller sizes type of things. It's also a good way for you to sample brand new scent. I was just talking about that, and it seems I'm talking about that a whole lot. To get those 5 fragrance mists, test that out before you go and try the eau de parfum, if that particular fragrance has a eau de parfum, meaning stronger concentrations. I actually have a video that goes over specifically what causes for fragrances to last longer than others, or why it doesn't last as long. It's the concentration of fragrance that's in it. That should be on the community tab by the time this one goes up. And then we have here a real quick glimpse of bourbon from the men's collection. That is a travel size shower gel, 3-in-1. There's also Wild Sand that they, as far as their summer collection, they launched along with Endless Sea. Dream Bright, I love that packaging. I just want a formula of everything in that. The bar soap, the moisturizing body wash, the shower, all of it, including that gorgeous, you know what I'm talking about. It's not fine fragrance mist, but you could still spray it out and it's a fragrance. That one. Then we have these extra goodies. I like also that while they're launching the fall collection and bringing some of the fall favorites back, the apple and honey, champagne apple honey, that one, whatever it's called, all the pumpkin-y, all the pumpkin-like, pumpkin-smelling stuff, they bring that back in the minis, in the travel size. So if you've never tried it before, mind you, these fragrances are not new, especially the pumpkin ones. They just repackaged them. So you just have to look carefully. But I like how they didn't just launch the full size of this stuff, bringing it back for fall. They also said, okay, travel size too. And this, I feel like this $2.95 sale should extend for at least 2 weeks, because one day is not enough. But I think I know why they do it, because, you know, it creates a sense of, you know, got to get it now type of thing. I see mahogany teak wood is in the mix here. That's from the men's collection. So is black cherry merlot. They have the hand cream. So I don't know if I mentioned that before. That's also a part of this $2.95 sale. But you got to use the code, else the prices won't change. It says so right underneath each and every particular item. Day 26 of Member Appreciation. If you'd like to see more on either side, there's going to be a playlist. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient. It is kind. It does not envy or boast. And it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,